Hello traders, hope you are all doing good. So many people came to my comment section and told Umar, you have escaped, you are in profit, 18,300 call option, you have escaped. So market started falling, right? But the problem is we have returned more puts than the call which we have returned. 17,900, 18,000, 18,100 put I have returned. Who knows, these people will come, our Nirmala finance minister will come out like this. So there are two problems today, right? One is global cues are not good, right? So as I talked to you, US futures are down by 250 points, and when the market was closing, it was in fact down by 300 points, right? And our finance Nirmala Sitharaman madam came out today morning, and she told there is going to be a press conference about 4:30, and it is going to be about some economic issue. So what is the economic issue? So there is a company called Antrix Corporation. So you know Antrix, no? Antrix is a marketing division of ISRO, right? ISRO launches satellites, and this Antrix Corporation market their satellites, they sell their transponders and that and this and all, right? So she is talking about this. Now, is this really an economic issue? See, Antrix Corporation, and I'll tell you what is the thing. So in 2005, there was a company called Divas Marketing Limited, right? Marketing Limited, and they signed a deal with Antrix Corporation. So what was the deal? So Antrix Corporation is going to launch 2 satellites and give 90% of 90% usage of transponders to Divas Marketing Limited. In that deal, there is a mutual understanding that they are going to share the 70 megahertz S-band spectrum. So that's 70 megahertz S-band spectrum is a highly classified spectrum. No, it is not used for public. It is used for government organization like MTNL, BSNL, and security personals, right? So BSF, Indian Intelligence, IB, RAW, so all these people are using 70 megahertz S-band, right? So it's a very classified thing. I don't want to go into that. So they have sold that thing, seems they have sold that thing, and Divas Marketing has filed a case in High Court, and they are fighting. Antrix and Divas are fighting with each other. Now, where is this related to market? Oh my God, these people are crazy. I don't know how to. In between, we have to break our heads. See what is happening. Oh my God. And if you see the markets, right? So today alone, look at the volatility in Nifty itself. Gapped up 18,350, came down to 18,200, then went up to 18,300 again, and closed somewhere in one point of the time. It was down to 18,050 levels also. Oh my God, around 350 points move in Nifty, and Bank Nifty, look at the Bank Nifty. Such a volatile move in Bank Nifty, 38,268 all the way to 38,900, then closed at 38,100. 900,000 points movement in one day, two-way, three-way move. This is called three-way move, right? So I'm sure you can see these things, right? So this is the kind of volatility we are facing, and in between, because of this, all these rumors and useless news, I don't know. You tell me, how is this related to market? How does Antrix Corporation relate to market? Is this listed company, or is there anything between these companies? I don't know, really don't know. And if you see all the stocks, if you see the open interest or what is that, gainers and losers, in simple words, if I had to tell you, there is only one stock in Nifty and Bank Nifty which gained, which is Axis Bank. That is 1.2%. Apart from that, no, not a single stock in Nifty and Bank Nifty has performed. All are losers. If you see the gainers and losers list, I'm saying, right? So only one gainers in Nifty and Bank Nifty, that is Axis Bank, because Axis Bank is going to is in talk with Citicorp to acquire their consumer business in India. Because of that, Axis Bank is up by 1.2%. Apart from that, every other thing is down because of all these things, all this news, Antrix, Divas marketing, blah blah blah. In between, we have to break our head. So if the market moves like this, then what else we will do? We will have to break our head only. If you see the open interest, there is highest open interest in 18,300, and 18,300 is the having the highest open interest, and literally there is no support level, there is no open interest. Around 18,000 there is a small open OI, but when you compare it with calls, that is nothing. So PCR is around 0.6 only. Yesterday it was 1:1, today is 0.6 only. And same scenario is happening in Nifty also, Bank Nifty also, right? So Bank Nifty has a highest open on the upside. It is having 38,500. Call is having the highest open interest, and 38,000 is having the highest open interest among put option. So 18,300 call option we escaped. There is no problem. But what about the put option? Since the market was going on the upside, I have written more puts than call option. So I don't know. So hopefully, as I talk to you now, US futures are slightly recovering around 50 or 60 points. We'll have to wait and see tomorrow or today night how US market is reacting, or we have to see the price action of US market. Then we will have to see if we are alive tomorrow or not. So today's sleep is gone. So we have to see till 2:30, 3 o'clock. We have to see US market. What to do? How to handle this kind of scenario? I don't know. Oh my God, panicking. People are so much panicking, right? So anyway, don't worry. What I think, So tomorrow you see market is going to gap up. So all these things will be factored in today. Whatever this rumors, news have been factored today, and tomorrow you see market is going to move on the upside. So that's what is going to happen. As I talk to you, SGX Nifty is up by around 20 or 30 points, and even this thing US futures is also recovering, right? So we'll have to wait and see how things work out tomorrow. So hopefully tomorrow we should see market going slightly on the upside. So it should rebound or it should recover all the losses which we have made today, right? So whatever loss we made today is going to be recovered tomorrow. Let's hope for the best. Let's be confident. So these things should happen now and then, right? If market keeps on moving on one direction, so it's getting boring. So let the market move whichever direction it wants to. We will try to manage our position. We will try to manage our position efficiently. That's why we are here. That's what the market has taught us to do, right? So nothing much. Time now is around 6:30. Let's see how things pan out tomorrow. Take care. Bye.